Hey Ravenclaws, it's Green Girl with your weather report. I hope you don't have anywhere to go today because every which way we look, there's fog, there's rain, there's sleet, there's snow, there's wind. Hope you can stay indoors today.
Don't know why there's no sun up in the sky. Stormy weather. Chiefs send out their spies to piece together why it's raining all the time. Life is bare, stockinette everywhere, stormy weather, and I just keep trying to overhear. I'm listening all the time, all the time. I'm listening all the time. I'll just knit away on objects warm or lacy. If I'm long away, the vortex is gonna get me. All I do is hope wizard or sylph will let me walk in the sun once more. Can't use my wand, every spell I cast goes wrong. Stormy weather.
No, definitely not.
So chiefs sent their agents to piece together why it's raining all the time.